Death. It's the one truth every human must face, yet it's cloaked in mystery. What truly happens when you die? Is it a peaceful sleep, a doorway to another existence, or simply nothing? Today, we take a journey across science, faith, philosophy, and experience to explore the greatest unknown of all, what lies beyond life. Medically, death is when the heart stops beating, blood ceases to flow, oxygen no longer reaches the brain, consciousness fades and brain activity slows, then ends. But is it really that simple? Studies have recorded brain activity up to 10 minutes after death. Some suggest the mind remains aware, trapped inside a dying body, even briefly. And during those moments, what does one feel? Panic, peace, a memory flash, a shift into another reality? Some scientists think the brain's shutdown may feel like falling into a dream. Others say death is instant, like switching off a light. But what if it's more? Thousands claim they've glimpsed the other side. They report floating above their bodies, traveling through a tunnel of light, seeing deceased loved ones, feeling overwhelming peace. These are called near-death experiences, or NDEs. Doctors call them hallucinations, chemical reactions during trauma. The release of DMT, lack of oxygen, or surges of neural activity could explain it all. But skeptics face a puzzle. How do people recall events they shouldn't have been conscious for? Is it evidence of the soul, or just the final fireworks of a dying brain? Throughout history, every civilization has formed its own beliefs about death. In Christianity, the soul either ascends to heaven or descends to hell, based on faith and deeds. In Islam, the soul enters Barzakh, a waiting realm, until Judgment Day. In Hinduism, death is just another step. The soul reincarnates again and again, guided by karma. In Buddhism, the goal is nirvana, freedom from the cycle of rebirth. Ancient Egyptians prepared elaborate rituals to journey safely through the afterlife and meet the gods. Indigenous cultures often see death as a return to the earth, or a passage to a spirit world where ancestors dwell. Each belief reflects deep human longing for justice, for reunion, for purpose beyond the grave. Philosophers don't claim to know what comes after death, but they ask powerful questions. Socrates believed death might be the greatest gift, a release from the limits of the body. Epicurus argued we shouldn't fear death. Where we are, death is not. And where death is, we are not. Modern existentialists see death as what gives life meaning. Because it ends, life matters. In their view, we don't need certainty about the afterlife to live meaningfully. We just need to face mortality with courage. Can consciousness exist without a body? Some scientists say no. The brain is the mind. When it stops, so does everything. Others wonder if consciousness is more fundamental, a field like gravity or time that the brain taps into. Quantum theories, although controversial, suggest reality may be stranger than we can imagine. And stories of people suddenly becoming alert just before death, known as terminal lucidity, add to the mystery. Maybe death isn't destruction. Maybe it's transformation. Whatever happens after death, our actions ripple long after we're gone. Our kindness, our choices, our creations, they leave a mark. We may not control what lies beyond life, but we can shape what we leave behind. Perhaps that is the truest form of immortality. So, what happens when you die? No one truly knows. Science explains the body. Religion offers hope. Philosophy gives perspective. Experience teases possibility. But in the end, the question of death is really about life. Not what awaits us after, but how we live now. With purpose, with compassion, with awe. Because maybe the mystery isn't meant to be solved. Maybe it's meant to inspire us to live fully while we can. What do you think happens after death? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep, thought-provoking content.